Hello everyone. Welcome to the video. Today, we're tackling a common problem, a broken EMS foot massager. These devices can be great for relaxation. But what happens when they stop working? Don't throw it away just yet. We'll go through some basic troubleshooting steps. We'll see if we can get it working again. First, let's talk about safety. Always unplug the device before you start any repairs. Never work on electrical devices with wet hands. Now, let's get started. First, check the batteries. This seems obvious, but it's often the problem. Make sure the batteries are inserted correctly. Try replacing them with new ones. Even if the old ones seem okay, they might be weak. Weak batteries can cause the device to malfunction. If the batteries aren't the issue, let's move on. The next common problem is the electrode pads. These pads need good contact with your skin. Over time, they can become dirty or worn out. Clean the pads with a slightly damp cloth. Make sure they are completely dry before using them. If the pads are damaged, you might need to replace them. You can usually find replacement pads online. Look for pads that are compatible with your specific model. If cleaning or replacing the pads doesn't work, check the connections. The wires connecting the pads to the device can sometimes become loose. Carefully inspect the wires for any damage. Look for cuts, breaks, or loose connections. If you find a loose connection, try to reattach it. This might require some soldering skills. If you're not comfortable soldering, ask a friend or family member for help. Another potential problem is the power adapter. If your device uses a power adapter, make sure it's working properly. Check the adapter for any damage. Make sure it's securely plugged into the device and the wall outlet. Try using a different power adapter if you have one. Make sure the voltage and amperage are the same. If the device still doesn't work, the problem might be with the internal circuitry. This type of repair is more complicated. It might require specialized tools and knowledge. Unless you're experienced with electronics repair, it's best to consult a professional. Take it to a repair shop. They can diagnose the problem and provide a solution. Sometimes, the cost of repair might be more than the cost of a new device. Weigh your options carefully. Remember to always prioritize your safety. Working with electronics can be dangerous. If you're not comfortable with any of these steps, don't hesitate to seek professional help. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips helped you repair your EMS foot massager. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or by purchasing our merchandise. Every little bit helps us create more content like this. Also, leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos.